Okay, everybody, anybody just walking up or in the parking lot, we do have the spicy chicken sandwich eating contest. About to commence here in just a moment. As you can see, the contestants are getting ready. Okay, are you ready?
I don't know. I'm hungry.
2, 1, begin!
Come on, Sonny!
2 minutes. Oh, come on, Sonny, you can do better than that. 2 bites and you need a drink already?
Come on, Judah! Come on, Sonny, make a cow of yourself.
Come on, guys. I see only 1 sandwich done per person. What's up with that? And just to remind everybody that the winner will get 10 spicy chicken sandwiches and 10 milkshakes. Of course, we'll deduct the 5 that they're eating right now from that 10. Let's see how we're doing here. Looks like Joe is kind of in the lead there. What happened to our athlete? What's going on? This is, you know, it's a 2-minute warning, guy. Come on.
Come on, Sonny. What are you wiping your face for?
Uh-oh, it's Sonny's fighting back now.
40 seconds.
Come on, guys.
Come on, Sonny. You can't finish 2 in 40 seconds.
10 spicy sandwiches, 10 milkshakes on the line for the winner. We got 20 seconds left, guys. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
What we got left?
Come on, Sonny. Eat.
2, 1. That's it, guys. And give us just a minute while the judge decides who the actual winner is. Looks like Sonny is our winner. So, of course, he wins absolutely nothing except the bragging rights that he can eat more spicy chicken sandwiches than anyone in Cobb County. But let's see who our second place winner is. Looks like Joe, Judah's dad, is going to have to teach Judah a thing or two about eating spicy chicken sandwiches. But it looks like Joe is our second place winner, so he'll win 5 spicy chicken sandwiches, 5 milkshakes, and a mug. And it looks like all of our contestants are actually winning something as well. It's like a spicy sandwich and a milkshake. Look at Sonny thinks the contest is still going on. Well, we want to thank you all for coming out and cheering them on.